Hi guys, welcome back. Thanks for watching my videos. So, have you ever tried to pull a shot? You got the dosing correctly, you tamped it, you went to pull the shot, and then this happened? So this has happened to me many times. As you're pulling your espresso shots, this is not an exact science. It's going to happen, it will happen. But one of the things that you will notice is that sometimes your shots are going to taste sour. Now, many people are trying to understand, well, how do I fix this? Is there something wrong with the coffee, or am I not doing something correctly? Well, some coffees are more acidic than others, and that's fine, but most likely it's something that you're doing, and it's not because of the coffee. And so what I mean by that is that when you have a sour shot, generally speaking, it's about the variables that you're not controlling very well. So what that means is that your grind size is probably not set accurately. Either you're not tamping it correctly, or your water that you're using, it's not hot enough. And so what that does is that when you're not doing those things correctly, what you're doing is you're under extracting your shots. And when you're under extracting your shots, that's when you get a sour shot. So how to fix that is essentially to play around with your variables. So let's go ahead and make a couple of shots. I'll make one that it's pretty good. I'm gonna try to shoot for 20 to 25 second extraction, and then we'll taste it and go from there. All right, let's watch it. Gotta remove the cup. This is from last night. In order to get consistent, make sure that you're using a scale. This is super important, especially if you're using the Breville Barista Express. The grinder in the Breville, while it's great, it's unreliable. You're gonna pull shots and it's gonna vary quite a bit. Sometimes you're gonna get a shot that's 15 grams, sometimes you're gonna get a shot that's 18 grams, so it varies quite a bit. The scale does help a lot, so make sure that you're using that unless you have a more reliable grinder. In that case, then you're fine. All right, so I tared. And as you've heard there at the end, it ran out of coffee, so let's see if I have enough. I don't have enough. So I need to get more coffee real quick. And by the way, I do keep this in an airtight container, so which you should do, keep it fresh. Okay, that is 17 grams, which is perfect. So I actually dropped down to 16.5 there last second. Okay, that should do it. All right, now let's distribute the coffee with a distribution tool. Tamping it. And by the way, if you are wondering, I do have the grinder set at the 5 setting on mine. And if you want to know how to dial in your grinder in the Breville Barista Express, I've already made a video about that, and I'll put a link up above so you can see that. So, all right, so we have this. Let's go ahead and pull the shot. Actually, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to run a blank shot just to get the water moving. Pre-infusion, looks good. And the extraction. The extraction is actually a little bit faster than I would like. Really good crema. Hope you can see that. It was a little bit faster than I would have liked, but I'll taste it and see what happens. It's good. No, it's not the best shot I've ever pulled, but it's actually pretty good. It's not sour, it's not bitter. It's definitely a full body shot, that's for sure. It tastes pretty good. Great. Well guys, hopefully this has helped you. Make sure to hit the like button if you've enjoyed this video, and definitely hit subscribe as well. And let me know in the comments below if you're also getting sour shots or if you're getting bitter shots and how you're doing to fix it. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.